Hey guys, today I wanted to show you the Lion King Trilogy in Blu-ray. Here we have a 3-disc combo pack of Lion King 1, 1.5 and 2 in phenomenal high definition Blu-ray. And the best thing about this trilogy box is that all 3 movies are region free. This is an import from France and it goes for 30 euros. So let's open this one so I can better show you the case and the design here. Really nice slipcover. Let's remove this. As you can see, really nice. Here we have Simba, Lion King, Timon, Pumbaa. Everybody is embossed. Really nice slipcover. This one is the one to have and to keep. Here's the back cover. The back cover is just matte finish, although here in the bottom is embossed as well. But the beauty of it is the front. And here we have the movies. For me, this is like a thicker digibook with drawings and sketches of your favorite characters. So here we have the Lion King 1 Blu-ray region free. Here we have the 1.5. I think in France they call it 3, but it's supposed to be 1.5. It's also region free. And here's the number 2, also region free. And let me show you here like I told you before, it is a digibook. So let me show you here the pages. It's all written in French. And most of it's just going to be sketches and drawings of Simba, Timon, Pumbaa, and everybody else. Here's Nala, Pumbaa, Timon, Zazu, Scar, Ed, Shenzi, and Benzai, the laughing hyenas, the monkey Rafiki, and that's it. So really nice. It's just 3 pages of French, but the rest, everything else is just drawings and sketches. Really nice. And the beauty of it is all 3 discs are region free. It is slightly bigger than a Blu-ray case. A regular Blu-ray case, it's 6 3/4. This one measures 7, so it's not much, just 1/4 of an inch taller. Only the first Lion King comes with English DTS HD Master Audio 7.1. Lion King 1.5 and 2 are just 5.1 HD Master Audio. Also comes with a 250 points for your Disney rewards in France, and a booklet with upcoming movies. Alright guys, thanks again for watching this video, and stay tuned for much more Blu-ray updates every week right here at Blue Collection. See you next time.